Hi everyone, today I'm going to sing a Shiva Bhakti Gite, and the tune is inspired by Kanta Malayalam song. This is a beautiful song in Malayalam and a great work by all the musicians and singers. So these lyrics is my own composition. It goes like this. Shiva Shambholinga Hara Hara Shiva 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 Shambholinga Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Kailasavasani Paramesha కాపాడు నమ్మను నీ జగదీశ కైలాసవాస నీ పరమేశ కాపాడు నమ్మను నీ జగదీశ ತಂದೆಯು ನೀನೇ ತಾಯಿಯು ನೀನೇ ತಂದೆಯು ನೀನೇ ತಾಯಿಯು ನೀನೇ ಬಂಧು ಬಳಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀನೇ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭುಲಿಂಗ ಹರ ಹರ ಶಿವ 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 ಶಂಭುಲಿಂಗ ಹರ ಹರ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಉಮಾ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ನಂದಿವಾಹನ ಗಂಗಾ ಜಟಾಧರ ನಾಗಭೂಷಣ ಉಮಾ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ನಂದಿವಾಹನ ಗಂಗಾ ಜಟಾಧರ ನಾಗಭೂಷಣ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಕರ ಜಯ ಅಭಯಂಕರ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಕರ ಜಯ ಅಭಯಂಕರ ಭಜಿಪೆವು ನಿನ್ನ ನಿತ್ಯ ನಿರಂತರ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭುಲಿಂಗ ಹರ ಹರ ಶಿವ 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 ಶಂಭುಲಿಂಗ ಹರ ಹರ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಕೈಲಾಸವಾಸ ನೀ ಪರಮೇಶ కాపాడు నమ్మను నీ జగదీశ కైలాసవాస నీ పరమేశ కాపాడు నమ్మను నీ జగదీశ శివ శంభులింగ హర హర శివ శివ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭುಲಿಂಗ ಹರ ಹರ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಹರ ಹರ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಹರ